These are oxtails that my mom is making. You clean the oxtail with limes, cut them in half, and you rub the meat.
We reserve the juice.
And you squeeze, when you cut them in half, you squeeze the juice in like a bowl or something.
I'm fancy. I buy the lime holder. And I'm going hot boiling water that I'm going to pour too.
So then you rinse the oxtail
And lukewarm tap water.
in lukewarm tap water.
Piece by piece.
And once that's done,
Thank
you have to boil some hot water.
Not that done. From the beginning, you already had
Mommy,
the
I'm
water boiling.
I know, but I'm just saying. Boil some hot water, and you're gonna pour it over the oxtail. This is just the cleaning process. Don't touch the water, Aiden. It's hot. No, that doesn't need to go in the water in there yet. And it's also important to add flavor to your oxtail. Get some of these, what are these called, Mom?
Habanero
Habanero peppers. And we will show you how to put those in.
Lime juice.
And then the lime juice that you squeeze in the beginning, you pour it over the oxtail. And what does this do, Mom?
It just adds, it's a flavor.
Okay.
On all my meat, I put lime. That's a Haitian cooking.
So she cuts another one. Move, Aiden. And she squeezes some more. So you need like 3 or 4 limes.
Two to 3 limes. It depends on the quantity. Well,
You'll
why
be
you under
alright.
me?
You shouldn't be here.
Mama, wet me.
Well, that's what happens when you're in the way.
Ow.
So dramatic.
Not making me.
Well, you have to back up.
And she
You better hope it didn't get in your eye.
Yeah.
And then you shake it.
To make sure that it gets in.
Gotta put some water.
Now it's time for seasoning. You get some black pepper. Shake, shake, shake.
Whoa. Let me have it.
Not much left.
Guys.
Something.
Black pepper
Goya seasoning.
with the blue top.
Yeah, I don't want the one with pimiento.
Look at this.
Just about a tablespoon. Put a little
Paper sauce.
Lawry
seasoned
seasoning
salt.
salt.
Just a sprinkle.
Pickle.
Yeah, sprinkle it. That is more than a sprinkle.
Yeah, it's probably a teaspoon. It depends because I don't. People who like salt, they
She's
just.
getting more black pepper because the first thing of black pepper didn't have enough in it. So other side. Just pull it. Got some gloves on now.
No, I can.
Wow.
You see the pepper shaking
Gonna
on
get
there?
into your nose, Eden.
You're
Be
gonna
careful.
sneeze. Be careful.
Yeah.
Achoo.
No.
No hands in. Okay, don't touch it. It's dirty.
Usually I would have thyme and parsley and all that, fresh, but I don't have that today. And I'm gonna press some garlic.
And then you can get some fresh garlic. About how many cloves?
I'm gonna put about 3.
About 3 cloves. So she got fresh garlic. So I mean, I guess if you wanted, you can do the
Garlic
kind
powder.
that already, or garlic powder, or you can get the kind that already comes cut. And
Yeah.
how much would you do with that? Like a 2 tablespoons?
A tablespoon.
A tablespoon. Aiden, stop. Leave that alone.
And of course, my favorite thing.
What?
People don't add it, but I want that.
Oh, then she adds Worcestershire sauce. Worcester sauce, some people call it. You shake it on.
Soak it well.
Soak it well. I thought you don't put a lot of that on if you have good oil. You don't put a lot of oil.
That's why with this, I know you don't really need extra, all this, a lot of extra stuff. So now, and then
Then the pima, or we call it pima, but Americans, y'all call
I
it.
put a little hot sauce.
Okay, hot sauce and the pima or the habanero pepper.
Myself, what I do with it.
I personally don't like these because they're really hot and I'm a punk.
Oh.
I don't like hot stuff. What are you laughing about? Oh, the water.
Oh.
Okay, then you cut the bottom of it.
I take the grain so it doesn't
She takes
get
out
too
the
hot.
seeds because
The
that's
seed.
where the heat is.
Since you don't
But I
like
don't believe it. I think she be leaving seeds in there. Then she cuts it and rips it in half and rubs it all over the meat. So then my mouth can burn. So she can sit there and laugh at me while I devour the food.
I can't wait.
Note that I
You're
don't
not
use
supposed to
salt.
reach it.
So, but if the person want, they can add a little sprinkle of salt.
But you have enough
I had
seasoning
enough
on
stuff
here.
that it
You
didn't.
won't need to
He's making a mess.
you won't need to, she's tasting it to make sure that it's seasoned well. She's not gonna die of no E. coli. If you
Because if
clean
it-
the meat well, you won't have to worry about that. Otherwise, you don't know how to clean meat, then I just suggest you don't do that. Now she's cutting little strips of it with seeds in it so my mouth can burn off.
And this is my Haitian stuff that I always put in.
What, Maggie? Oh. So in Haiti, they have this stuff called pickles. And it's pretty much vinegar, the habanero peppers with the seeds, and cabbage.
Carrots.
Well, that's a part of the, the shredded
Coleslaw.
carrots,
What's
coleslaw
that?
stuff, and then
that?
cloves.
Stop, Mama.
Uh-huh.
And you let it sit for like ever, and
Always be using.
you can use it over and over again. This is what it looks like. And then what else do you put in? Don't you put like the seasoning in it?
I put garlic. I put garlic clove.
Garlic cloves.
That you
know,
make
that's
the
it.
chicken, Mama.
Yes, baby, I am. I'm making.
Okay,
a
now I'm gonna
picture.
press my.
Then she's gonna press the garlic cloves and she's gonna put it in there and mix it up and yeah, it's gonna be delicious.
And I'm gonna put my oven on 200 on slow cooking. Cover it. Add water to it. There's nothing else you need to do.
Okay, y'all hear that? 200 degrees. So 200 degrees in the oven, slow cooking,
For
and
about an hour.
for an hour.
And then
And
after that, you look at to see if enough water is in there.
if enough
juicy.
sauce is in the bottom of your pot,
Mhm.
and I'll show you what kind of pot we'll be using.
Mhm.
And yeah. So we'll be back. Thanks, Mom. She put a little bit of salt in it. It's
Sprinkle,
probably
sprinkle.
like half a teaspoon
Yeah, just
worth of salt.
just for taste.
And then she mixes it. She just pressed some of the garlic in there. She put 2 cloves.
Now I'm marinating it. And the last thing for oxtail is thyme. Always have thyme in oxtail.
Do we have time?
I don't have it fresh. I have it in.
Shaken, dry. And she rinsed off her glove to take some of the extra seasoning that she had on her hand. This is it. Hold on, baby. That's what it looks like.
Wow, that means I'm making chicken.
It's not chicken.
Yes, who is it?
It's oxtail.
That was that
Don't
one.
touch it. Yes. He said, wow, that's me while making chicken.
Okay, I'm gonna get it.
Oxtail.
Thanks.